Taoiseach, the housing crisis is deepening and government efforts are failing to impact significantly on it. The cost of housing is growing at twice the rate of average earnings across the country. Rent has soared by 8% nationally, and in Dublin rent makes up over half of the minimum living costs. At 68%, I think it's a stark number, the rate of home ownership is now the lowest since 1971. The younger generation essentially have been locked out of home ownership and have lost confidence in ever being able to afford to buy a house. 35 years is now the new average before people can actually buy a house. In the 90s it was at 26 years of age. When you became Taoiseach 2 years ago, the number of children homeless was at about 1,881. Today, the figure is over double that at 3,794. I recall the then Minister for Housing, Simon Coveney, promising in June 2016 that child homelessness would be over by the end of that year. This Taoiseach, by any yardstick, is a litany of failure. Plan after plan has been produced, and they haven't worked in accordance with the targets that were set in each plan. There was an over-reliance on the free market and the private market to solve all of the issues, and I would suggest that that over-reliance has backfired and has failed.
For close to a decade now, Gael has believed that the market will solve all housing problems. It hasn't, and it will not. Fianna Fáil believes there has to be greater state intervention to build council houses, more social housing, affordable housing that people can buy on state lands. This is the only way to provide more housing overall and to stabilise rental markets. For further details in relation to Fianna Fáil housing policy, visit fiannafáil.ie/housing to look at our more detailed plans. Thank you.